What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kush coming back at you with another banger. And today, your girl just got a new package in from Amazon and eBay. Your girl's gonna be showing you how to set up your own green screen background, and pretty much you can use this to do all types of YouTube videos. We're gonna just get started. I'm gonna just show you how I'm gonna set this up. We're just gonna do this together. This is my first time setting this up, so we're gonna do it together, you guys. So please don't forget to comment down below and let me know what equipment you use or what's on your wish list, or just let me know what you think about the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, KDTV Vivo, and go to the other YouTube channel, NFNL Studios. Put the notification bell on all so you know when we upload a new banger. So as you can see so far, I already have a lot of stuff scattered all over the place. So one of them came like this, right, in this big packaging. Boom. And then another package came like this, and I think this is for the backdrop because these poles are taller. It comes like this. 4 metal poles. So they didn't put no instructions in here because I think it's common sense. And I used to have a backdrop. Well, it was a photo backdrop, but you can pretty much use anything. I had the white screen and I think it was gray is what I was using, but I just got another one because that one was flimsy and just time for an upgrade. Take these out the package. You know, it becomes a mess, but it's a fun mess, I guess. So it came in this, which is pretty cool. So if you want to travel, you can always put it back in here. As you can see, I already started on this pole right here. I think I had loosened it up. Okay. Don't unloosen it too much. It's enough to straighten out the legs. And you can actually expand them like this, but you're gonna be tripping all over them. So I just say this go all the way high up, so the spider legs won't be super wide. Because you don't want somebody to trip and your green screen fall in the middle of your podcast or your YouTube video or whatever you're doing. That's why I always either have them. This is like I either have them like this or even higher like this. So those are my options. I don't ever do them like too wide for me. But I won't lie to you guys, it's probably more sturdy depending on what you put on your backdrop. But it's super light. The backdrop will be super light. So boom. So I'm trying to get that in the same kind of measurements. So they're about the same, but you can also measure them from up here. I'm going back here so you can see me back here. So I'm just gonna line up. So this is a different one. I started with the second to last. Yeah, the last one is the one you really want to measure out. The best way to measure it is just obviously pulling it all the way out. Ouch, so tight. Gosh. They're about even. Now we're gonna be able to put our poles up. Okay, so now I'm gonna use these poles. So I guess you can expand them to as long as you want, or if you just want a short backdrop, you could just use 2 poles, 1 pole. See this right here? We're just going to press this in, just like that, and it locks. And then you still got 2 holes on each side. It's not gonna be a major, like, you're not gonna be doing a lot of movement. You don't need a wide backdrop. Oh, I see you guys. So you're gonna unscrew this little piece right here. And then you're gonna put the pole where the hole is at. See that? You're gonna insert it right there. And then you're gonna take that, which was on top of the pole, and you're gonna screw it back onto the pole. And that's how you're gonna be able to put your pole up on there. So now I'm just getting it to where it's even, so it's not gonna fall. And honestly, guys, you can use this for all kinds of stuff, to be honest. So we put the pole up, screw the pole to the top. Now we're gonna put the screen of choice. In this pack that I got on Amazon, it came with 3 screens, a black, a white. The pole I had last time, it was more of a photo shoot pole. And the backdrop that I got was paper. So you'll just roll the paper. So it's like for pretty much a full body shot. So I'm actually gonna do the green one because I never had a green screen before. So I'm gonna try that because I had a black and white and green one. I'm letting you know that it comes in a pack. So it's pretty worth it. Don't go nowhere. Just order it online on Amazon, and I'll put the link of the same package that I bought in the description down below. So please, you guys, if you like this video and you would like more videos like this, please subscribe, share the video, and comment down below other ideas that you might want from me. And I don't even know what these are. This is like my unboxing with you guys. So okay, yeah, I still don't know what this is. I'm just gonna put them back. I guess this is like if you want a better, like, cause it's cloth, it'll just be easier to pinch. Well, actually, it's linen, you guys. It's a linen green screen. Yeah, like Egyptian cotton. Nice material. So I see that, yeah, it's just enough for a certain length. And this is the top. You can put it through the pole. It has the little holes. And like my godmom used to do, she does weddings. So this is how she make her backdrops for like weddings and like for the altar and stuff like that. Oh, wait a minute. So I'm just making it higher because it's pretty tall, pretty long. Okay. I'm just trying to make it even. Well, I'll show you guys. So it's these right here. You're gonna just clip it, the pole, like that. So it can be more tight. Like I said, you don't want a wrinkly green screen because it's gonna mess up your green screen effects. Like if you want to put a fire explosion or whatever, it's just the color wheel is not gonna pick it up because it got shadows in it. That's how we're gonna do it. Well, this is how I'm gonna do it. Let me know if I'm wrong, you guys. Okay, so once we got that, we're going to actually move on to the lighting. And I think this is another green screen that came in that pack. And I'll let you see, just to let you know what it looked like. Boom! What is this? What is this, yo? It's live. What is this? I think it's for the light. It helps repel the light. Yeah. So we're gonna just place this. I wouldn't even know how to put it. Okay, so this is how you put it back. Ah. Okay. Moving on. I did have a pole. Where did it go? We're gonna figure this out. Come on. Damn it. God damn. These shoes. I'm unboxing it, you guys. Unboxing. Stay tuned for the final look. It also came with a taller pole. So I think that's just for a really tall light, and then they gave you 4 small lights. Key thing with YouTube is lighting, you guys. The more lighting you got, the better. There's never such thing as too much light.
Oh my goodness, girly. What you doing? Who you think you is? Green screen now.
I'm over here working on...
You ain't gonna make it longer, baby?
You're gonna have to make it taller.
I'm talking about like stretch it out like this.
We don't got that much green screen.
You can stretch out a little bit more, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit more stretch on it.
You want to do one more pole? Because I gave you a...
Yeah.
La 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 la. You can barely see me over here. It's like a real unboxing, you guys. Like a real, like, extreme unboxing. I'm sure somebody else already unboxed this same package, but it's your girl Kush doing it, so it's different. Yeah. Yeah. These are nice. These are nice. And it comes with a screw, you guys, so you can literally unscrew it or put the screw back. That is so efficient. I'll show you in the camera. See? You can unscrew. So once you unscrew it, that's where you will screw it. Because I was thinking that you were supposed to screw it on this bolt, but it's just to, I guess, keep it clean. And you don't want nobody to get hurt. And we're going to do some more packaging. It's in the same box kit. And again, you guys, this all came in one kit. This all came in one kit on Amazon. And again, you guys, this is the same box kit. I got it on Amazon. I'm unboxing the next thing. It's a light, actually, but it's like, I never seen a light like this before. This is pretty cool. Look. That's nice. Very heavy, like, heavy duty. Very heavy duty. It comes in its own packaging, so you can always put it back and keep it organized. Okay. And I don't know if that one. Oh, it did. It came with a. I don't even know what this is. It came in it. What is this for? I don't know what this is for. I'm gonna just put this to the side. Go into these. It's like an umbrella, you guys. I guess this is not considered bad luck because it's a light. It's not an umbrella, so I can open it in the house. I gotta be careful with these. Woo. Ow, a little electricity. Ooh, fancy. Your girl has set up everything so far, and I figured it out. Okay, so you push it down, you guys, and then put your light bulb in there, and then it comes with this. And so now we're gonna place it over the light, and it has these little sticky things, but it's your option. You don't have to. It's your choice. But this is how it goes. It's supposed to hook on like that, and there's like little Velcro. Like this. Bam. Okay, girl figured it out, okay? So now I'm gonna do the next one. Just like that. So it comes like this. You gotta open it up. And this you gotta push down. At first I didn't want to break it, but yeah. It's actually like a magnet. Oh, yeah, like that and lock it down. Same thing, it has like a little Velcro on each side, so it don't matter what side you start with. It's a square, not a rectangle. Okay. Each side has a 90-degree angle. Okay, YouTube, there you have it. Your girl just unboxed a whole studio kit from Amazon. Don't forget that one back there too. That, the green screen, 2 lights. It came with 2 other green screens. Came with 5 poles. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, you guys. This is it for now. Please check out my unboxing for the LED circle ring light kit, the 19-inch. If you like to see that, please go and click on that. I'll put it in the link below, and also hopefully it'll be right here. Don't forget to subscribe, put the notification bell on all. Go to my YouTube channel, KDTV Official. Show some love, you guys. Make sure you share the video and tell your friends to watch. Go check the video out, okay?